I am Beto Perez, and I am the creator of the Zumba program. I taught the first Zumba class ever.
At 54, Beto Perez, the dynamic creator of the global fitness phenomenon Zumba, looks and feels like he's still in his 30s. Known for his boundless energy, glowing skin, and sculpted physique, Beto has inspired millions worldwide to dance their way to health. But his secrets to staying youthful go beyond his energetic routines. Beto attributes his ageless appearance to 5 specific foods that fuel his body, nourish his mind, and fight the effects of aging. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and avoiding unhealthy habits, he has mastered the art of graceful aging. In this article, we'll uncover Beto's top 5 anti-aging foods, his daily routine, and how you can apply his secrets to your own life. The role of nutrition in Beto's youthful glow. Beto believes that food is medicine. For him, every meal is an opportunity to feed his body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. You can't fake energy and youthfulness, Beto says. It all starts with what you put in your body. His philosophy revolves around eating clean, unprocessed foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's dive into the 5 foods that keep Beto looking like he's frozen in time. Beto's top 5 anti-aging foods. 1. Avocados, nature's anti-aging elixir. Why Beto loves them. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health and skin elasticity. The high vitamin E content helps reduce wrinkles, hydrate the skin, and combat oxidative stress. How he eats them. Beto enjoys avocados sliced over whole-grain toast, blended into smoothies, or as guacamole paired with fresh veggies. 2. Salmon, the brain and skin booster. Why Beto loves it. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation, improve joint health, and keep the skin supple. The high-quality protein supports muscle repair, which is essential for his active lifestyle. How he eats it. Beto grills salmon and pairs it with roasted vegetables or quinoa for a balanced dinner. 3. Berries, the antioxidant powerhouses. Why Beto loves them. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, protect against cellular damage, and improve memory and brain function. How he eats them. He sprinkles berries over oatmeal for breakfast or blends them into post-workout smoothies for a refreshing treat. 4. Leafy greens, the detoxifiers. Why Beto loves them. Spinach, kale, and arugula are nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help detoxify the body, boost energy levels, and support digestion. How he eats them. Beto enjoys a big salad with mixed greens, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon for lunch, or adds them to his smoothies. 5. Nuts and seeds, the energy boosters. Why Beto loves them. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential micronutrients like magnesium and selenium. They help maintain glowing skin, support heart health, and provide sustained energy. How he eats them. Beto snacks on a handful of nuts throughout the day or adds chia seeds to his yogurt or oatmeal. Beto's daily routine for energy and vitality. Beto's youthful looks and vitality don't come from food alone. His daily routine reflects a holistic approach to health that includes movement, mindfulness, and self-care. Morning routine. 6 a.m. Hydration. Starts his day with a glass of water with lemon to kickstart digestion and detoxify. Breakfast. A smoothie packed with spinach, avocado, almond milk, a scoop of plant-based protein powder, and a handful of berries. Mid-morning Zumba, 9 a.m. Dance is the cornerstone of Beto's lifestyle. He spends an hour teaching or practicing Zumba, which doubles as a cardio workout and stress reliever. Lunch, 12:30 p.m. Meal, a salmon salad with leafy greens, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil. Beverage, a cup of green tea for an antioxidant boost. Afternoon snack, 3:30 p.m. Snack, a handful of mixed nuts or seeds, and a piece of dark chocolate for an energy lift. Evening wind down, 7 p.m. Dinner, grilled chicken or fish with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Mindfulness, ends his day with meditation or gratitude journaling to promote mental clarity and better sleep. Beto's tips for a youthful life. 1. Stay active every day. Beto believes movement is medicine, whether it's dancing, walking, or yoga. He ensures his body stays active and mobile every day. 2. Focus on sleep and recovery. Good sleep is non-negotiable for Beto. He ensures 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, which helps his body recover and his skin regenerate. 3. Hydrate. Like it's your job. Beto drinks at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily to keep his skin hydrated, flush out toxins, and maintain energy levels. 4. Practice positivity. A cheerful outlook is part of Beto's anti-aging formula. He believes that laughter, connection, and gratitude are as important as diet and exercise. Age is just a number. Beto Perez proves that age is just a number when you take care of your body and mind. By eating nutrient-dense foods, staying active, and maintaining a positive mindset, he has defied the aging process and inspired millions around the world. As Beto often says, your energy, your youth, it all starts from within. Treat your body like a temple, and it will reward you with a lifetime of vitality. So, take a page out of Beto's book. Eat smart, move daily, and dance through life with passion. Who says you can't look and feel 35 at any age? On fire.